Comparison operators in Python always return a Boolean value true or false. Equal. A is equal to 2. B is equal to 2. C is equal to 10. Is A is equal to B? Output will be true. Not equal. Is A is not equal to C? Output will be true. Greater than. Is A is greater than equal to C? Output will be false. Greater than or equal. Is A is greater than or equal to C? Output will be false. Less than or equal. A is less than or equal to C. Output will be true. Logical operators. First is AND operator. It returns true only if both conditions are true. Second is OR operator. It returns false only if both conditions are false. Third is NOT operator. NOT operator reverses the result.